Today we're going to talk about a day in the life of the macrobiotic lifestyle. Part of my pantry is my all-natural baking section. And when I say all natural, I really mean all natural. I happen to have a sweet tooth, and almost everybody on the planet has a sweet tooth. And sweets are one of the most unhealthy things that people consume. So one of my specialties is to make healthy sweets, healthy desserts, all natural. I don't use any butter, I don't use any sugar, I don't use any eggs, I don't use any cream, I don't use any fats whatsoever. So the desserts that I make have no cholesterol, no sugar. You can eat them if you're diabetic, you can eat them if you're overweight. They will not make you gain weight, but they will satisfy your sweet tooth. I have beautiful natural extracts. Vanilla extract, almond extract, orange extract, peppermint extract, lemon extract, coconut extract. I have carob. I use carob instead of chocolate for health reasons. And I have my sweetener, which is really important, brown rice syrup, not sugar.